What's up, guys? Hey, it's Jason from Summit Seekers, and I want to help you get ready to learn how to pack your backpack for going on trail. This video is going to be for how you will actually pack your backpack when you are leaving the car and entering the trailhead. Okay, this is different from packing your backpack from getting on the airplane. I'm also going to share with you exactly what I pack to remove the curtain or the mystery behind the curtain on how I get my pack light. Okay, first things first, what am I actually wearing on the trail? That's a question I get a lot. Very minimalist approach. I wear these awesome biker shorts. So if you get to be in my group, you're going to get a lot of stare backs from the ladies when I'm wearing these things. Just kidding, that doesn't really happen. But the good thing about these, anti-chafing in the middle of the legs. That's what you want to be thinking about when you choose your shorts. I wear this 90% of the time that I'm hiking. Okay, so that's what I'm wearing on the trail for bottoms. On the trail for top, just a normal racing shirt, polyester type shirt. As far as hard shell, if it gets cold on the trail or starts raining, I got this Arc'teryx ultralight Gore-Tex jacket. This is 4 ounces. And this thing, as far as warmth to ounce ratio, is amazing. It's pretty expensive. You can get alternatives that are significantly less expensive and still light. Frog Togs is one. Outdoor Research makes a cool helium jacket that's one. But there's all kinds of options. But bottom line is, got a hard shell jacket. And then I got some hard shell pants. And these are 4 ounce pants. They're Outdoor Research helium pants. You get a big bang for your buck on staying dry, blocking wind, and staying warm. And so I'll throw on that anytime on the trail that I get cold, windy, rainy. I just throw that shell on. It takes me about 2 seconds. These pants have got little zip up things. I don't even have to take my shoes off to put them on. Okay, that's all I wear during hiking time. Okay, when we get to camp, I have a couple extra layers that I'll put on. Number one, I have my long underwear. So these are merino wool bottoms, but you can just get something from Walmart. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. And same thing, a merino wool top. The good thing about wool, it is more expensive, but it tends to not stink as bad, and it's nice and warm. And then you want to have a dedicated dry pair of socks for camp and for sleeping. I got 2 pairs of socks. One's for hiking, one's for sleeping. And these are only pulled out when it's sleeping time, okay? That outfit right there, I want to keep dry at all times, okay? One more layer, very critical, is a puffy jacket, okay? Insulated jacket. I recommend down jacket that you can stuff inside your backpack. And then some gloves or mittens, okay? And if you want an extra hat, I don't have one with me. I normally do bring one, but I don't have one to show you here. Just a normal little kind of toboggan type hat. That's it for clothes, okay? So now I'm going to show you how to pack my backpack, and I'll show you my other gear as I pack it. So I got the most awesome backpack on the market for the money per ounce, I would say, is the Osprey Exos 48. Okay, this is the one pack I've recommended to a lot of you guys. This is exactly the size that you need and nothing more. Okay, so there's no extra room in here for frills. This is just going to get you what you need and not much else. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to pack this thing. All right, first thing first, I got an empty pack right here, opens like a duffel bag. The first thing that's going in there is a full bear canister. Now you can see this bear canister doesn't have anything in it right now. There's a different video on how to pack your food, but this is the BV500. This is the big one. If you pack smart, you actually don't even need this much room. You can get the small one. But I'll show you how to pack the big one into a small pack. So that goes in first, and it goes in not long ways, but right side up, okay? So that's gonna go in there. We'll make sure that top's on good. And that thing's going to just drop right in. Now, you can imagine what I'm looking at when I look in my pack. I got the bear canister in the middle, and then all this void space around it, okay? So I want to put the things in that void space that can fit, the long skinny things, okay? So one long skinny thing I got is my mattress, my sleeping pad. Okay, so this is a big Agnes one. It's an insulated pad, and I can slip that right in there on one of the corners, if you will. Okay, some other things that are kind of small or skinny is my pot in my stove. So in this is a Toke's 550 milliliter titanium pot, and inside it is a very small stove, like a 1 ounce tiny little titanium stove, some cordage, about 50 feet of paracord, and some little mouth guard thing to keep my mouth from burning when I drink my coffee. That's all in this, okay? So I'm gonna put that thing in there. Down another side, okay? Okay, and let me see, I think that's all I want to put in there. Now, now for this guy. So I've recommended you get a trash compactor bag. This is what's going to keep you nice and dry, all your dry stuff nice and dry, okay? So I put that in on top of the stuff I just put in, okay? And I'm going to put in here stuff that I don't want to touch for the entire hike, except for camp. So number one thing is my sleeping bag. This is a Essential Elements quilt, high down, 800 down quilt. And I also want to put my camp clothes that I just showed you, my jacket, my long underwear, and my socks. Now, if I take some of these small clothes items first and stuff them into the crevice that still exists between my bear canister and the edge of my backpack, that'll be good. I'll take use of that space. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm stuffing this stuff in. And it's actually, if you can imagine, the trash compactor bag is going down below the bear canister as I stuff this in. Okay? And then my down jacket. Now you might say, well, what about my down jacket when I'm hiking? Odds are you need this down jacket while you're hiking very low, because you're going to be working hard. Okay? But you can always open up your packing gear if you want. And then, boom, my quilt in on top. Or a sleeping bag if you got that. Okay? Now, I got this bag ready, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it over itself and down. Okay? Okay, and now you can see here, I'm going to show you my pack. I'm almost to the top. Okay, but I've got everything I need, and I got all my clothes, I got all my food, I got all my stuff for camp. So now I just got to put a couple little extra things on top. Let me see. I probably can fit my entire tent in there. So I have a Mass Drop Dan Durston 2-person ultralight tent. This tent weighs about just over 2 pounds. It's called the X-Mid 2P tent, designed by Dan Durston. Awesome tent, awesome purchase. It is a little expensive, but it actually uses your trekking poles as the structure, and then this is like a tarp. So honestly, I'm putting this thing on top because I got the room. Normally I would put this thing out, but I got the room, so I'm putting it in. Okay, and now I pull my draw cord. Boom, nice and tight. Look at that pack, man, what a beautiful pack, awesome. Pull the membrane over. Now my membrane I want to use for the stuff that I might need while I'm hiking, okay? It's awesome if I pack this thing right, I never have to open this until I get to camp, okay? So I want to put the stuff I need out on the trail. When we stop, I might want to get a little warm, so I'm going to want my hard shell. Boom, hard shell in the membrane. Ready to go, ready to pull out anytime I need it. You could also probably put your gloves. I think I threw the gloves actually in the bag, so that probably would have been a good move, but anyway, I was trying to pack quick. Mosquito net, boom. Let's see, toilet paper. Okay, I don't want, if I got to go on the trail, I don't want to be opening up my whole backpack and spreading it out all over the trail before I go to the bathroom. Toilet paper in the membrane. Okay? Let's see. Headlamp. Headlamp in the membrane. I don't want to be out hiking, it gets late, and I gotta open up my pack when it's dusk, and then I forget to put something back in because I can't see it. Again, you can put it in here. I actually like to put my headlamp in one of these pockets where it's a little more accessible. Okay, so if I need it, I got that thing ready to go. All right, other stuff I need while I'm walking around on the trail. Sunscreen, again, I like to put this in the pocket. I got some trash in this one. Map, water bottle, compass. I need all these things. Okay, I'm actually going to put these, boom, back here, and that mesh right there. Okay, these are a little bit bigger, and they could get lost in that membrane, but they won't get lost out here. I'll be able to see them. Boom. Map, compass, ready to go anytime I need it. Trowel or poop shovel, that's going to go right here. I can grab that out anytime I need it. I forgot to show you my toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, hand sanitizer. That would actually go in the bear bag, okay? But I forgot to put that. I got plenty of room, okay? And that's it, man. I got plenty of room. I'm buttoning up now. I'm zipping up my membrane now. Boom. Buckling, tightening down. Man, this is I can't believe how well I packed this pack. Okay, now, last thing I got, my helmet. I'll just clip this to the back somewhere. Okay, that's where that'll go. My waters, I like these Nalgene waters. I told you you can get smart water bottles. Those are also a good option. I like Nalgene waters because they're a little bit more robust. Okay, this is why I like those. It's a preference for me. And those slip right on the side of this pack. And I love it because if I'm walking and I got this pack on me like this, there's actually a little side pouch. I can pull this thing out, drink it, and then put it back in. So that's nice. I would have another one over here as well. I only have one with me. But just to show you that. And then to complete the outfit, the Superman outfit. Awesome hat, awesome polarized sunglasses, and now I'm ready to go. One last expert tip. Before you start your day every day, before you put your bear canister in this pack, get out all the snacks and lunch you're going to eat. Put your snacks. Put all your little bars and M&Ms and all these million little pouches out here, and put your lunch, your trail mix, your jerky back here. And then you'll never have to open this main pack the whole time you're hiking until you get to camp. Okay, and that's awesome because you don't have to unload everything. Whenever I walk by somebody's lunch spot and I see somebody unloaded everything, I know they're just starting out backpacking, but I want you to look like an expert on your backpack trip with Summit Seekers. All right, guys, awesome. You can send me a message or leave a comment on the video if you have any questions or you want to say anything about it. I hope you guys have a great trip. I know you will, and look forward to being out there on the trail with you.